Guys, you see it? The minelab equinox 600. I'm excited to try this baby out. We got these headphones off Amazon for 30 some bucks. So with that, besides all the extra individual frequencies the 800 has on it, and a couple extra advanced options, I got the 800 for about $630. I got the wireless headphones machine just without the extra couple options and the advanced options. And these headphones are exactly the same as the ones I sell with the 800. On Amazon. Thank you, Andy O'Neill, for another great deal. You guys, go Andy O'Neill on Facebook. Go check him out. Great deals. There's the model number. He's the one that referred me to these, was Andy. Them are dirty, honey. And you don't need cereal right now. Alright, so kind of take you over the box here. Can't wait to get out and try this thing out. So the 600 does run all 5 of the frequencies, but you only can choose the 5, the 10, and the 15 when you would just want to do your single. Alright. There's our coil. Andy threw this little coin box in, so I didn't have one yet. He asked if I wanted a fines pouch or coin box, and I don't have a coin box. And then I went hunting the other day, and my newer fine pouch clip broke. So now I gotta get a fines pouch. Typical coil. Like I've said, Garrett, I think, makes the best coils, in my opinion. They're real good material. This is your typical, I don't know if it's plastic or what it is. And then the underside is different. So, I mean, that don't really matter because you're going to have a coil cover on it. So, Garrett just makes great sturdy machines. So arm cuff. Charger cable. They do send you extra screen protectors, so that's awesome that they do that. Couple of little handbooks. And there is the control box. I mean, obviously this stuff's sturdy. People have been using these for quite a few years, but it's just some dust there. But I don't know. It just, I feel like it's just cheap plastic. I'm sure it holds up good. I mean, obviously it must hold up good because these are, like, just kill the sales on these. Well, if I can get this thing out of here. There's a shaft. I'm excited to get out and use this, but I still gotta use the apex some more before I can even use this, because I gotta give that back pretty soon. There's a lower shaft. I like that lower shaft. It's a pretty nice lower shaft. And that is it. So, oh, headphones. Get the wired headphones with this version. Bubble wrap for the keys. There's your headphones. Alright guys, we'll get her put together and get her turned on and see how she works. Alright, since today was a short video, I will upload another, I did the steak seasoning video, so I'll upload that as well. Alright, so that's everything that comes in the box. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.